let's make some super cute pastry carrots. First step, prepare the cream horn moulds. I use 6 cream horn moulds, 20 grams of butter, a lined baking tray and a paper towel. Dab the paper towel in the butter and dab or wipe the butter over the outside of the cream horn mould. When finished, place in the fridge while you get the pastry ready. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 360 degrees Fahrenheit. Prepare puff pastry. Cut puff pastry into approximately 1 to 1.5 centimetre thick strips. Remove the buttered moulds from the fridge. Take 1 strip of puff pastry, guide the puff pastry around the tip of the mould. Guide the puff pastry around the mould, slightly overlapping on the way around. Gently press another strip of puff pastry and continue around the mould. Continue wrapping the pastry around the rest of your moulds. Whisk with a fork 1 egg yolk. Using a pastry brush, lightly coat and cook for 8 to 10 minutes. Next up, you'll need 120 grams of white chocolate melted, as well as some green food colouring, suitable for chocolate. Add your food colouring to the chocolate to get your desired colour of green. On baking paper on a flat surface, gently smooth the chocolate evenly. Once set, with a sharp knife, cut out triangular shapes. Cream filling. Add 2/3 of a cup of cream to a medium-sized mixing bowl. With an electric hand mixer, whip the cream to a soft peak. Add 2/3 of a cup of custard, homemade or stored raw, and continue to whisk until soft peaks reform. Place the custard cream in a piping bag with a star nozzle of choice. Fill each puff pastry shell with custard cream. Add shards of green chocolate to each of the puff pastry bases to make the carrots. In the comments below, let me know what your best Easter recipe is. I hope you've enjoyed watching and don't forget to subscribe and like.